Hey, what's up, guys? You guys want to win this truck right here? Well, we got a special for you guys. If you guys are attending Swing Fest on March 13th, we'll be there. Come check out our booth, say what's up, and get your entries to win this truck. We're going to do 10-time entries that day, and that day only. So don't forget to get the entries for this truck. Check it out.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Charles. Welcome back to the video. Okay, hopefully you guys don't see the mic. Today we're gonna go get some footage of the truck so we could put some more promo videos out there so a lot of people could find this giveaway. When we get back, we're gonna be installing a cold air intake, and then we're gonna be checking it out, see how it feels and everything. There's a few more updates I want to update you guys about. If you guys haven't seen that, we do have a doghouse and tubs back there. That should be getting done before the show March 13th at Spring Night Swing Fest. Now that we brought that up, hope some of you guys are going there. It's gonna be great to meet some of you guys. Come on out, get some merch, get some entries for the giveaway truck. Here's a little clip of Swing Fest if you want to check it out. As you've seen, guys, it's gonna be a bunch of trucks, cars swinging it, the different vendors. I don't know which other YouTubers are going, but for sure I'll be there. March 13th, Willow Springs. So come on out, guys. Let's head out. We're still gonna be in Fontana, but it's gonna be a nice industrial area with fewer cars passing by. One of my homies lives around there, so we're gonna go get some pictures and video there. So let's go, guys. Damn, girl. Oh, fat ass mosquito. There it is, guys. Got pulled over. Front windshield tint. Bail Crew banner. Damn, that was the coolest, one of the coolest cops I've ever met. Fontana PD usually is this cool when you talk to them, actually. So I didn't expect anything crazy, but you know, like, something crazy could happen, like get the shit towed or something. But he just gave me a fix-it ticket for the front windshield tint and the front decal. Well, we'll get that all fixed up and everything. First ticket in this truck, and hopefully the last. Hell yeah. All right, guys, my boy Mike right here is about to fix that little issue we're having with the battery. I'm gonna get the intake out of here. We're gonna get that shit installed right now. Hey, why are we matching?
I know.
I'm wearing blue sweats though. Yeah, they're ugly. It's all that restriction.
For real.
These things restrict you so much.
No. Okay, right now.
You ready for a test drive? Let's go. Streets are wet.
Oh,
They're honking at his friend.
my homie.
Oh fuck. Right? Cross traffic. Do not stop. Let's see if we can hear the intake though.
I can hear it. Oh, from the inside?
Yeah. I can't see shit over here. Let's see. Oh yeah. You can hear going. Yeah, that shit pulls, dude. Right?
What is that, dude?
Nothing. Fix a ticket for the front windshield tint. Oh, bad. Oh, take a flip. How much do you need to get the tires? So
Yeah, I could hear them.
tires are burning out without even fucking doing a burnout. Oh shit!
No? Keep an eye out over here, bro. Yeah, what's up, guys?
Chilling, putting some gas, some wasting gas.
Putting $5 on number 11.
She's thirsty. Oh.
That's not it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's no. Chop.
Through a knot. Damn, we should get some nighttime rollers. That's beautiful lighting. Is that a car over there? Is that a car over there waiting for us? Damn. It needs more water. It looks like you're smoking in there, bro.
Can't breathe.
Damn, hotbox that shit. God damn. Fuck.
If only it was possible, bro.
Earlier, wait a minute. Obviously, you're not the first one.
I know. I can't do it. I'm scared because I get next to that pole.
I know that.
Yeah.